Hey guys, this is Cyril Cheat, your best friend in business, and today I want to tell you about DragGAN. It's a new innovation in AI that's going to change the way you view images. You will never see images as static again. Instead, you will view them as a fluid work in motion that you can change any way you want. So let's get into this right away and see what DragGAN can do. Here is a dog, and you can actually pose him differently. You can make him open his mouth, and you can even move his ears. Who would have thought of that? DragGAN actually interacts with real images just as they were clay putty in your hand. You can change the direction, make them bigger or smaller, or even change their orientation. This is some cutting edge technology that works on anything that you can imagine, and it does it in 3D. So when you change any element, the entire picture changes just as the real object would change in real life. Look at this. You can make a person smile just with one swipe, or you can even change their hairstyle, their eyes, the shape of their face, literally anything that you want. Dragon's AI makes sure that things look natural and just as they would in real life. Dragon is trained on real images from the internet. That's why it can work on literally everything, not just people, but even microorganisms or landscapes and backgrounds. You can change the shape and it just flows naturally. I know you're excited and you want to try it right away, but it is a little way off because it's still a paper. Of course, they have put it in practice, but they are going to release it a few weeks later. And this is open source, so it would be available to everyone without any restrictions. Right now, it is a project, it's a paper from the Max Planck Institute, and this demo is the proof of concept. It's a working demo of the app that they're creating and the model that they have made, but it's still away from the proper public release. You can still download the paper if you want and see the exact technology that's behind it, or you can check the code. Right now, it's not available, it's not public yet. The code is not available yet, and they've promised that it will be released in June, so that's just a few weeks away. And after that, you can expect to use DragGAN by yourself, because I'm sure a lot of products will be out in the market using this technology. Meanwhile, you can check out the paper and see the technology behind it. You can read exactly how that works. DragGAN is a tech that's based on GAN, which is kind of a precursor to Stable Diffusion, which is now the dominant way to create images online using AI. And GAN was used earlier. It was found a bit lower in quality and not as realistic as Stable Diffusion, and it was just voted out of fashion. But now it seems that GAN is back with a vengeance and with more capabilities than Stable Diffusion right now. So I'm waiting and excited about what the model can do. And in June, I'm sure all of us will find out.